this way. No, never mind. You're right.
Let's get out and watch some.
Yeah.
I gotta see.
Is my camera going?
Yeah. I got a feeling we're gonna see some stuff.
Yeah. We're gonna take it easy right now, but later we're gonna go hit the swamp. That'll work?
There's gotta be a way to get down in there.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna get so bad out of here.
Oh yeah. Look at B. Digging them big ass 42s. Stay to the right, Dilly.
Stay to the right.
Stay to the right, brother. Like that. Oh shit. Oh shit. We're stuck. Damn it. Alright. There goes the Walgreens with his son. They go in condom aisle, right? Little boy sees a 3-pack of condoms. Asks his dad, say, hey dad, what are those for? Dad said, son, those are for high school boys. One for Friday, one for Saturday, one for Sunday. He was like, okay, well, what are those for? And they pointed to a 6-pack. Dad said, son, those are for college boys. 2 for Friday, 2 for Saturday, 2 for Sunday. And he saw the jumbo pack, the 12-pack. He said, Dad, what are those for? He said, son, those are for married people. One for January, one for February, one for March.
He's stuck.
He's stuck. Let's go around and get it. Oh, Jim's gonna get it. Enjoying his little bit of Louisiana mud. I thought the Polaris had it.
I don't know.
Yeah. Hey, I'll see it for myself. Oh, I'm recording.
It's on.
Oh, yeah.
Put the stocks back in because we thought that I looked like.
Yeah. Did you break something? You did? Ah.
God dang.
That's why he stopped.
That didn't take long. I should be getting this for Instagram.
Get it.
Bet y'all can guess which one. Both fronts. You broke both fronts?
You got one.
It happens. Trust me. I know shit happens, okay?
It happens every ride that happens. The last ride?
Just blaming it on how I lift the axles.
The last one, you know, the engine blew up.
The engine blew up.
Oh, yeah.
It really did.
And he's sitting there fucking with me about my differential.
Oh, shit. So this is new. This is first ride on new motor?
Yeah, besides like the
Cruising around?
couple hours that we did.
Yeah, doing donuts in the snow in his yard.
But
Break it in right.
Yeah.
we had to tow him back, and then he had to ride all the way back to where we were staying on the back of mine.
Balls to back.
That's right. That's right. You get that one for Instagram?
I didn't post it. No, I posted it on my Snapchat.
Oh, okay.
There's a lot of people who follow like
That scares me.
That took a whole 10 minutes.
Yeah, cute.
We finding out the truth. Yeah.
Old Dilly. I'm always gonna break something in that hole back there if you really want to go.
Look,
I felt like we was in a mine. You know what I'm saying? I felt like we was in a
don't
mine.
talk like that, Dilly. That's Brandon. Let Brandon do what he wants. We gonna go around that mother. Well, if she goes through it, we gotta go through it. She went through it, Dilly. Ah, damn. God damn it. You got it in bitch in 4-wheel. About to say we don't need to lose any momentum.